Zendaya gave a great interview while she played with puppies. This is a great motivational talk for anyone feeling down. Let's get into it. Regarding her work on the new movie, Dune Iowa, she expressed, "It's such a special experience. I think being able to shoot in the places that we did and work with the incredible actors that we had, every day I just felt so lucky. I'm also very nervous. I think because, you're working with all these heavy hitters and you want to perform well. No matter what, you always kind of have imposter syndrome a little bit. You always feel like, Zendaya elaborated, be here. This time around, it feels like a lot more than the first time, which is really special. I think the first time I had so much fun. I was only there for a week, so I just got a taste of it. And I was like, oh man, I can't wait to come back. We were shooting the finale of Euphoria season 1, and I was literally in the middle of shooting that when I ran off to do Dune. Then, Zendaya said, I love Lady Jessica because she's terrifying, and I think Rebecca is brilliant at bringing that character to life. When she uses the voice and all that stuff, I find it so fun. I also think that everybody secretly wants to be Phaedra Alpha too because it just seems like such a fun character to play. Actually, the first day that I got to set, I was watching them film a scene between him and Stellan. It wasn't my first time meeting Austin, but it was like, whoa, hey, he was so nice and approachable. Obviously, the hair and makeup are a little. I had a lot of downtime. Especially in Budapest, I tried out almost every restaurant in the area. I'm one of those people that once I find something I like, I eat it every day. I feel like if you don't get the role that you really wanted, there's always a reason. Whoever it was meant for us. You always have to try to remember that. So I honestly try not to dwell on the ones that never happened because they weren't meant for me. They were meant for someone else. Subscribe to our channel if you like to motivate it every day. Zendaya mentioned for quite a while, I've been trying to spend less time on the internet and focus on reading and other more productive activities. Whatever stresses me out, I always end up thinking about all those cringy videos of me as a child that are still on the internet and will never disappear. You never know when they're going to resurface. Being a Disney kid, there are bound to be a few videos that will haunt me for a long time, but it's okay. We all have to start somewhere. The one picture that really haunts me, though, is this one where I thought it was cute to wear one heel and one sneaker. I don't even want to talk about it. It seemed cool. When asked who has the most charisma, Zendaya replied, me. Hell, I don't know. Riz is short for charisma, right? Everybody's kind of got their own. I think someone who has beautiful charisma, not on the Doom cast, but personally for me, is Mr. Tom Holland. She also mentioned, I love candles. Are they really great for you chemical-wise or whatever? I'm not sure. I just feel like burning fragrances in your house probably isn't great, but I love them. They get the vibes going, they smell delicious, and they make everything feel homey. So, a nice good candle for me. To be honest, I think I'm very scent specific in the sense that certain things give me a headache right away. If I smell it, I'm like, oh, I can't handle that for too long. So I prefer scents like mint and lavender and things like that. Things that you can keep smelling without hurting your head. Zendaya has several upcoming projects. She is co-chairing the Met Gala in May 2024, has multiple movies set for release, and is regarded as a fashion icon. If you travel overseas, you'll likely see her in incredible commercials for perfumes and fashion. Daily motivation is your secret weapon. It fuels your ambition, boosts your self-belief, and ignites your passion for achieving your dreams. With a daily dose of motivation, you'll find the strength to push through obstacles, embrace new opportunities, and unlock your full potential. Whether it's pursuing your career goals, nurturing your relationships, or prioritizing self-care, daily motivation empowers you to be the best version of yourself. So why wait another moment to ignite your inner fire? Embrace the power of daily motivation and watch as it transforms your life,